scale of the problem that we have is huge. We have all around the world a habitat type that is a really important part of a functioning ecosystem in our nearshore areas, and that's oyster reefs. And they're gone. Essentially, they're gone everywhere. They've been fished out. We've eaten the oysters and we've gone back and dredged out the reef to burn for lime. And they are so important. They do so much for us. They produce so many fish. They clean the water. They protect shorelines. The benefits that we get from them make it really worth putting them back. But the scale of the problem is big. Nobody can tackle that problem by themselves. We need to be working as a group on such a big problem, and it's those groups that are really critical. And NORA is the brains trust. NORA is where the people that are interested in making these nearshore ecosystems work again can actually get together and share ideas and develop strategies and become more efficient at this huge task that we need to get done.